Welcome back, guys. This is the Tightwad, and I was cutting grass today and I noticed that the copper tubing, the copper pipe here for my air conditioner was not covered with insulation like it's supposed to be. You can see both of these have it, even though it's cracked open. It's still insulated, and I cut off a little bit of this old here, and you can see the copper pipe right here, and that's the color that it's supposed to be. So I bought new insulation for it. This is from just Home Depot, and I bought the rubber kind. There's a rubber and a foam, and from what I've read, the rubber lasts longer. So I'm going to go ahead and fit it around the pipe and then cut it to length. And notice that I'm leaving the crease or the seam on the bottom. That way, if rain gets down in this area, it's not just filling that pipe up with water. So once I get it on there nice and tight, I can trim it with a pair of scissors or a utility knife. Either one works fine. And I'm going to pull one side of the tape off at a time, and I'm going to try to make sure it doesn't stick to the pipe itself. And then I'm going to hold this in place and peel back the other side a little bit at a time here. And as I peel, I'm going to make sure these two pieces of the piping stick to each other and not the pipe. So I'm just pinching it as I go. And that's all there is to it. I'll make sure I put a link to this type of tubing in the description and in the pinned comment. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below, and I'll make sure I respond to them. Click any of the videos shown on the screen right now, and they'll open right up on your device. And as always, I hope you guys have a great day.